When you gorgeous, you know you might not always feel like it, but you are.
Pumpkin pie, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I'm gonna show how to do this look, so if you like, please subscribe and keep watching, okay? First, I'm using this Tarte tinted moisturizer in medium. I really like this one because it is really light and has a really good coverage too. And then for the eye, I'm using this Tarte Glossy lip paint in pink. I don't know what the shade it is. So basically you can use whatever lip gloss that you have at home, your favorite one, whatever color that you like, just apply all over your lids with your fingers. I just recommend with fingers, not brush, because brush will make it like less shiny, you know. And this is my favorite part. I just take my Rainforest of the Sea Radiance Drops by Tarte and drop it to my all over my face. This is really fun. So basically this drops is like highlighter, but it's not sparkling and it's not shimmery. I just love it. And to add more highlight to my face, I just use this Tarte Rainforest of the Sea Volume 3 with golden and pearl color all over my lid, and so on my nose bridge and then the cheekbone as well. And with the same lip gloss, with the same color, I just apply to all over my lips and then a little bit outside of the lip edge to create like a plumpier and healthy look. We are done, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos. I love you so much and bye bye.